Hi, Sri Vignesh here, and today is day 4 of me sharing my learnings and explaining things in English. So, as I'm preparing for PL 300 exam, get data in Power BI is the first model we are seeing, and in that, today's topic is how to get data from NoSQL database and online services and Azure analysis services, and also select a storage mode. I'm going to explain about the storage mode. So this is a full theoretical explanation. So if you are someone who is expecting for a practical explanation, skip this video. And yeah, first topic is how to get a data from NoSQL database. And the meaning of NoSQL is the data in the NoSQL database will be stored in an unstructured format. That is, it does not use table to store data. So one of the example is JSON format, and NoSQL database common mostly use JSON format to store the data. And Azure Cosmos DB is one of the NoSQL database, and let's see how to connect it. So if you open Power BI and click on Get Data, and you click on More, it will show something like this, and you have to click on Azure, and you have to select the Azure Cosmos DB. After that, you have to enter the database or whatever the credentials are. You have to enter that, and after that, you will be getting those documents or those tables you have to load, and you have to select the particular table which you want, and after that, it will show something like this. This is most commonly used format in NoSQL database. This is called JSON format. The data will be more of how to explain that. It will be like compressed in compressed format. Actually, you have to expand this by clicking this two arrow mark, and after that you have to uncheck the use original column as prefix and click OK. And after clicking OK, you will get something like this, and the data will be loaded in Power BI. So this is a simple and easy way to connect to NoSQL database and get data from NoSQL database. Now we are going to see how to connect data in online services, how to get data from online services. So SharePoint is one of the example of online services, and if you are working for an organization or you are working in a group of people, you will get to know this SharePoint, and the data will be shared in the SharePoint in common, and you have to take the required data for you and make analysis based on it. And in the private group, you will be given something like this, and you have to copy the link as shown in this picture, and you have to enter this in the Microsoft account and click connect, and after that you will get to the preview tab, and after that you can use transform tab or load tab according to your wish. So this is very simple way, and this is how you have to connect to online services. And next we'll go to get data from Azure analysis services. So Azure analysis services is a fully managed platform as a service that provides enterprise grade semantic models in the cloud. Actually, it provides a semantic model in the cloud. So you have to connect the Azure server and database name. So after connecting that, you can enter DAX query or MDX to pull the data which you want. You know, no need to write the SQL query. Instead of that, you can use DAX to extract the data which you need. So all the calculations are DAX calculation or will be stored in the cloud. So the refresh time will be very fast in the report. And also, if the original database is updated, there is no need to keep a scheduled refresh in report. Instead, it will automatically update the report. So no need of keeping scheduled refresh in the report when you are using SQL Server Analysis Services. So it will be very fast it will be very fast, and a report will be loaded very fastly. And this is how you will connect to the Azure Analysis Services. So we have seen how to get data from NoSQL, online services, and Azure Analysis Services. So let's see the storage modes. So basically we have three storage modes. One is import mode, another one is direct query mode, and another one is dual mode. So the meaning of the import mode is it will import the data to the Power BI and create a semantic model based on that. And direct query allows the data, and it ensures that it will create a semantic model in the data source itself. And dual mode is a combination of these two. So data will be stored locally in the import mode, and in the direct query mode it will be in the stays in the data source itself. And dual mode is mix of both. And data refresh. So if you want to do data refresh in import query import method, that is import mode, you have to schedule a refresh. And if you want to do it in direct query, no need of doing it. Automatically it will update in the real time. If the data source is updated, the report will also be updated in the direct mode. And in the dual mode, it supports both method. Performance. So when it comes to import mode, if the data source is small, it will load very fastly. If the data source is medium or large, it will take some time. And in direct query, it is very fast because it is based on the real time. And in a dual, it is a mix of both. It can adapt anything. And use case. If you have small or medium data set, you can go with the import mode. If you have a large and daily updating data source, you can go to the direct query mode. And according to your needs, you can use both also. Yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you are an expert and finding any mistakes in my videos, please comment me in the comment section, and I'm open to learn from everyone. Thank you.